Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to prepare one of Maria Alexandra's favorite side dishes, caraotas, which is black beans, caraotas negras a la caraqueña, which are black beans Caracas style. We're both from Venezuela, so this is one of the traditional side dishes from our country.
And we're going to make them in traditional Caracas style, which is different from the way black beans are prepared in the rest of Venezuela. What the difference is we include papelon in the recipe, which is a type of sugar.
This is what papelon is, which is the juices, extracted juices from the sugar cane, turn into this paste of sugar sweetness, and then they turn this into brown sugar. So we're going to use the raw brown sugar.
Yeah, it's not brown sugar yet. Yeah, it's not brown sugar yet, so it's not processed as much as
extracted juices from the sugar cane.
Yeah, so it makes the beans slightly sweet. I tend to like them. I grew up
on. She likes a lot of sweetness in the beans, so I tend to use a lot of papelon in our black beans. But you guys can use papelon, or you can, if you don't want to use papelon, you can use just regular. Follow the recipe and don't add the papelon.
If you can't find papelon where you are, you can always use coconut sugar or regular brown sugar as well. You can also choose
if you like the sweetness.
Yeah, you can also choose not to add the sweetness.
If you don't like the sweetness,
it's just once you have black beans with the sweetness in them, you're never going to want to go back.
I don't like them with the amount of sweetness that she adds to the caraotas or the black beans, but I cook them this way because she likes them this way. In a bowl, cover the beans with water and add baking soda and let them soak for at least 8 hours. Wash them well before you start to prepare them the next day, washing off all the baking soda. Transfer the beans to a large pot and add 10 cups of water, covering them completely. Add a green pepper cut into large pieces and turn the heat up to bring to a boil. While the beans begin to cook, dice your onion. A trick I learned to easily dice an onion is to first cut 90% of the onion, every 1/8 of an inch, and then make perpendicular cuts. Your onion will be perfectly diced. Then take 6 garlic cloves, peel and mince. Easy way to peel garlic is by applying pressure to the clove, separating the skin from the rest. Then you can just plug the skin of the clove and you're ready to cut your garlic.
What did you do when I couldn't eat garlic? So many of us with Hashimotos can't eat it.
When garlic was first removed from your diet, I had to find a way to replace it, and I found that ginger worked in many cases, but not all of the cases. I replaced garlic with ginger or ginger paste. The taste isn't the same, but your palate reacts in a similar way.
With garlic and onions being the base for most Latin foods, and both being removed from my diet for so many years, did you just use ginger as a replacement?
No. When I needed something with a stronger, warmer flavor, I used more ginger. But I also used turmeric when I wanted to balance out some of the flavors. The peppery flavor in the ginger combined with the earthy sweetness of the turmeric work as good as replacement in a lot of the recipes, but doesn't work in all of the recipes. Cut 2 to 4 strips of nitrate-free bacon into small squares. The bacon adds the fat and smoky flavor to the beans. Add the garlic, onions, and bacon into a hot pan with a little bit of olive oil. Cook it all together until the onions are almost translucent and the bacon and garlic are golden. Once the beans soften, bring the temperature down to medium-low and remove the foam from the top. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and mix. Always make sure that the beans are totally covered in water. If too much water has evaporated, add water to fully cover them. Add about 1 cup of strained beans from the pot to the pan and combine with the bacon, onion, and garlic paste. Cook over medium heat for about 1 minute. Now fish the green pepper from the pot and add it to the pan as well. Combine it all and cook for another minute. Now take about 1 cup of water from the pot and add it to your blender. Then add the mix from your pan to the blender. Blend it all until you have a smooth paste. Then go ahead and add the paste back into your pot. Stir it until it's all combined. Now add the papelon or brown sugar and add a small bunch of cilantro, like 3 to 4 strands is good. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin and stir. Simmer until the liquid thickens and it becomes more of a creamy soup. Once the black beans, the caraotas, it's been simmering for a while, you're gonna get this texture, which is like
smells so good.
Black beans, and then we're gonna smell amazing.
It smells like home.
Tomorrow they're gonna be even better.
Oh yeah, they're usually
Yeah.
even better.
The following
the
day,
next
they're
day.
like, oh my god.
Couple spoons.
A little bit of cilantro for presentation purposes. And then, do you want to put a little bit more sugar? More sweet?
I don't think so.
No?
Probably
Don't
not.
you want to put a little more sweet?
Let's try.
Let's see.
Déjame miel. Oh my god. I think these are the best you've ever made.
Yes. Oh my god.
Oh my god. I can eat this just whole, just like this.
No hard.
I just burned my tongue. But that was so good.
Yeah, and then these are caraotas a la caraqueña, which are black beans, Venezuelan black beans, Caracas style.
I'm sorry. I have to keep eating these.
If you want to see more recipes like this, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We share here gluten-free recipes and basically everything that Maria Alexandra likes and eats.
I like this.
Thank you for watching. More.
Thank you for these.
Yeah.
La tira azul se te ve.